If you're looking to conduct effective IT risk assessments, Tenable provides an intuitive platform that helps you identify vulnerabilities across your IoT devices. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you exactly how you can use Tenable to make these assessments seamless. And yes, we'll talk about how you can get started completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need to know about Tenable is its ability to scan your network and identify devices that are vulnerable, which is crucial in today's interconnected world. With IT devices multiplying, vulnerability management becomes even more important, and Tenable offers a solution that helps you pinpoint risks across all connected devices. Next thing, Tenable allows you to map your entire IoT network, which gives you a clear overview of everything connected to your infrastructure. This visibility is key when assessing risk because you can't protect what you can't see. Whether it's a smart thermostat or industrial IT systems, Tenable lets you know where your vulnerabilities are lurking. The third thing, once you have a clear map, Tenable uses real-time scanning to detect security flaws. This means as soon as a new vulnerability is discovered, Tenable updates its database and can notify you about the risk associated with specific devices. This helps prevent security breaches before they happen. Next, we're talking about risk prioritization. Tenable's platform uses a risk-based approach to help you focus on the vulnerabilities that matter most. It doesn't just show you all the problems at once, it helps you prioritize based on potential impact. This way, you're not wasting time on low-risk issues while the critical ones are left unaddressed. The fifth thing is that Tenable gives you detailed reports. These reports don't just list vulnerabilities, they provide actionable recommendations on how to fix the issues. This is extremely useful for teams who may not have deep cybersecurity knowledge but still need to mitigate risks quickly. Now, the sixth thing you'll love, Tenable integrates with other security tools in your tech stack. Whether you're using CM systems, ticketing tools, or any other software, Tenable can work in tandem with these to streamline your risk management process. At this point, you're probably wondering how to get started. The best part is you can begin using Tenable right now, completely free, through the first link in the description below. And as an exclusive bonus, you'll get extra features that make this even more valuable for your IoT risk assessment needs. Lastly, Tenable provides ongoing updates and enhancements, ensuring your risk assessments evolve as new threats emerge. So, as the IoT landscape shifts, Tenable keeps you one step ahead. If you want to start your IoT risk assessments today and make your systems more secure, go ahead and click that first link below to grab your extended free trial with our exclusive bonuses.